Okay, today there's a review sheet for these first 5 sections of circles. So it's a combination of the different things you need to know. So the first that we learned was on a central angle, the arc is exactly the same as a central angle. Okay? Now remember, when you're naming arcs, okay, if you use just 2 letters, it's a minor arc. Arc AB, if it's 2 letters, you take the shortest route. If there's 3 letters, arc ABC, that's a semicircle. Start at A, go through B, stop at C. If I did it this way, arc ACB, that's a major arc because you start at A, go through C, and stop at B. Okay? Now the one thing you should always look for in a picture is if there is a diameter, then it's 180 and 180. Okay? So remember those. Now, similar to the central angle is an inscribed angle. If the inscribed angle is 70, the arc it intersects is double that, 140. Now, similar to this is if you've got a tangent and a chord. The whole, no. If this angle was 80 degrees right here, now let's say it's more like 70. Then how does the arc compare to the angle in this picture? The arc.
Oh, you subtract 360. Oh, it's double.
How many degrees would that arc be if that angle is 70?
140.
140. So if it's a tangent and a chord, it's just like the inscribed angle. The arc is double the angle formed. Okay, then we had when there was 2 chords and you're finding the angle inside. Okay, if you're looking for the angle inside, it's the arc plus the arc divided by 2 is 70 degrees. If it is formed outside, then it's similar to this, it's just not, you don't add them, you subtract them. It's the arc minus the arc divided by 2, so that would be 35. I think that's all the angles. Now remember, it doesn't matter if it's 2 secants or if it's a tangent and a secant like that. The rule is the same. Or also if it's 2 tangents. It's still going to be this arc minus that arc divided by 2 to get the angle outside. Okay? Then we had the segment lengths, the last ones we just did. So this picture looks the same. It's just we're not finding degrees, we're finding lengths. So if you had this, it's, remember, the piece times the piece equals the piece times the piece. So you divide by 8, and that would be 6.25. Then if you have a picture like this, again, it doesn't matter if it's 2 secants or a secant and a tangent. It's the outside piece times the whole thing equals the outside piece times the whole thing. So this one would be 8 times the whole length, which you'd represent as x plus 8, equals the outside 9 times the whole length, 19. And then you would just solve it. So I have a worksheet for you that is all review problems like this.